Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Miguel from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with British Khaki for his jeans and hat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt base coated and the hat highlighted with Dragon Fang. You can of course highlight the jeans with this colour as well, but I want them to be a different colour in the end. For all of the exposed skin, I went for sunny skin tone. His waistcoat in the artwork has a zigzag pattern on it that isn't actually sculpted into this mini, and really there's no way I'm going to get that freehand painted in the time frame that I have. So instead I just paint the entire thing with Evil Eye Red as the base colour and we'll highlight up from there. The highlight on his shirt gets done with Skeleton Legion, just bringing up all of the tops of the folds and the creases. Now for the rope and the trim around the waistcoat, I grabbed Cork Brown and went over these parts. To add a more subtle highlight to the jeans, I went with pretty much all over them again with Kronos flesh, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows. Adding a highlight to the waistcoat, I now went with Rust Orange, bringing up the tops of the folds. For his hair, shoes and belt, I gave them a once over with Burnt Umber. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. The leather parts now get a quick highlight with Bard Skin, just to give them that reddish tint. All of the metal parts get done with Plate Armour. To wash the Mini, I went for an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash, making sure to come back in and pick up all of the pooling areas where it's just a bit too much. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Miguel. Even though this mini is pretty simple, it still ended up running over my 20-minute limit, so I'm just glad I didn't try to attempt to freehand the pattern on the waistcoat. Although if it was sculpted in there, I would have at least given it a go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.